Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining. Good evening. My name's Lisa Potter, and we're here to discuss the Blue Chip Diner regression analysis. For some people that might not know what a regression analysis is, it is a set of statistical methods used for the estimation of relationships between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. It can be utilized to assess the strength of the relationship between variables and for modeling the future relationships between them. Today, the Blue Chip Diner is wanting to look at opening a new restaurant location in Texas. The company has supplied us with information based on all current operating restaurants. They have provided monthly sales, percent target lifestyle cluster, median income, population per square mile, employee turnover rate, manager tenure months, brand recognition, advertising budget per month, and competitors within 5 miles. The first step in starting this regression analysis is to determine the dependent and independent variables. The next step is to find the descriptive statistics that will take the information given and summarize and organize the data so that it can be easily understood and explained. I use the mean, median, standard deviation, minimum and maximum, and overall sum. Below is what the descriptive statistics show for the Blue Chip Diner. The standard deviation is $57,038. 21% lifestyle cluster. Median income is $28,531.78. Population per square mile is 3,573. Employee turnover rate is at 19%. The manager tenure months is 7 months. Brand recognition is only 6%. The advertising budget per month is $2,030.54. And competitors within 5 miles is 2. So this shows that basically a Blue Chip Diner could be located almost anywhere and not have much competition based on this information. The next step is to create the correlative analysis from the descriptive statistic information. The correlative analysis is to identify patterns within the database. It is used to discover if there's a relationship between the two variables, database, and how strong that relationship may be. Below is the Blue Chip Diner correlative analysis. And following that is the graph showing the points that are together and spread it out far apart. With the descriptive statistics and the correlation analysis data, the first regression analysis will be generated. The first regression analysis will give the information of all the restaurants and then apply that information to the second regression analysis to see what location would be best to open a new restaurant. This regression includes all the information provided by the company for research. As we look at it, we see that our R-square and our adjusted R-square and our multiple R-square are close together. The regression is 7, the residual is 192. There we have our coefficients, our standard error, our t-stats, our p-values, our lower 95%, upper 95%, again lower and upper 95%. The next slide will show the line summarization, the relationship between the X and Y. The second regression analysis will not include target lifestyle cluster and employee turnover rate because they do not add value when selecting a new restaurant location. A second regression analysis is needed so that a prediction can be made on the value of a variable based on the value of 2 or more other variables. The variable will be called the dependent variable and will provide the outcome of which new location the Blue Chip Diner should open. Again, we have our multiple R, our R-square, and adjusted R-square that are all close into comparison. And our regression is 6, residual 193, a total of 199, along with all of our coefficients and standard errors. The next slide will show the summarized relationship between X and Y again. And lastly, once the data from the second regression analysis is calculated, that data will be used to determine the new location. Below is a calculated data based on the intercept, the median income, population per square mile, manager tenure months, brand recognition, advertising budget per month, competitors within 5 miles. This first column is the numbers based on our regression analysis too. By taking that, we use the following formula: the intercept plus the median income of regression analysis 2 times each location, plus the population per square mile from regression analysis 2 times each location, plus manager tenure months for regression analysis 2 times each location, brand recognition from regression analysis 2 times each location, plus the advertising budget per month times each location, plus competitors within 5 miles from a regression analysis 2 times each location. The blue chip diner should select Pearland as the new location because of the expected monthly sales of $327,269.11. However, if other variables that are not included in this analysis could change, the new location would be the cost of the building or rent and building, the cost of making the building ready to open. So based on this information, the Pearland is the best one. However, like stated, there could be other variables that could come into play to go into a third regression model to decide the cost or expense of renting, building a building, the cost of making that building ready to open and serve. So hope you enjoyed it. I hope I covered everything, and I thank you for your time. Have a good night.